जय श्री राम। मैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी के सर का फ़ैन एंड चाइना जिनपिंग सर का फ़ैन। इंडिया एंड चाइना very good relation, very good relation between both countries. Recently, 3 years back, China Prime Minister Jinping sir came to India, Tamil Nadu state, Chennai, to meet the Narendra Modi sir, and Jinping sir and Modi sir both are discuss China electric cars, electric vans and electric buses and Shanghai maglev project to develop in India. India don't have electric cars, but is very famous in China is very famous in electric buses and electric cars and Shanghai maglev project also. Jinping sir, please establish China Yutong electric bus. Jinping sir, please establish Yutong electric bus manufacturing plant in India. Jinping sir, please establish Tesla Gigafactory, Tesla car manufacturing plant in India. India huge demand of Tesla cars. India don't have Tesla cars. Please ask Jinping sir, please establish China Tesla Gigafactory manufacturing plant in India. India always loves China electric buses and electric cars. And Jinping sir, please establish China Shanghai maglev train project in India. India don't have maglev train project, but China 20,000 kilometers around the China maglev train are China Shanghai maglev train 20,000 kilometers are moving around the China. Same Shanghai maglev train project. Jinping sir, please establish in India. Around India 10,000 kilometers. Only China only construct maglev train project in India, around the India. China Shanghai maglev train very famous, 600 kilometers per hour. Not have any accidents and very famous. Jinping sir, please establish China Shanghai maglev train projects around the India. India always loves China Shanghai maglev train project and electric buses and electric cars and electric vans. Japan Prime Minister Fumio Kishida, please establish Shinkansen maglev train project in India. SC maglev train project. Fumio Kishida, Japan Prime Minister, please establish Shinkansen maglev train project in India. Shinkansen maglev train project also very famous. Please establish in India. Jinping sir, please establish shanghai maglev project. India Bharat Heavy Electric Limited. India and China, very good relationship between both countries, so many years. Jinping sir recently meet G20 summit in Indonesia. Jinping sir and Narendra Modi sir to meet. Very good friendship and relation between India and China. Jinping sir, please establish China electric cars factories in India. Jinping sir, please establish China electric cars, Cyc electric cars and bike electric cars, Neo electric cars, Dongfeng electric cars, Jelly electric cars, Fa electric cars, and Tesla electric cars and Fa electric trucks also. Please establish in manufacturing plant in India. India don't have electric cars and electric buses and electric trucks. Jinping sir, please establish China electric cars, electric vans, electric trucks, and Shanghai train project also established in India. Thank you.